Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video we learn some regular verbs. I have written here a few examples of regular verb, and in the previous video part 1 you have already seen irregular verbs. The link you will get below in the description. So I have written here 4 verbs: wohnen, spielen, kaufen and machen. And this is the subject, in German. These are the subject. First person ich, second person du, third person er, sie, es, and this is plural. Wir means we, capital Z means you, formal, and this is small z, it means they, and ihr means you all. Once again, this is singular, okay, these are singular and these are plural. Subjects. Subject we need a subject when we make a sentence, okay. Without subject, sentence is incomplete, so we must have a subject while making the sentence. And this is the verb, so it means if I say I live, ich wohne, you live, du wohnst. So this is also called verb conjugation. Alright, this is also called verb conjugation. Subject, and these are the 4 verbs here. These are regular verbs because there is not so much spelling change as compared to the irregular verb. So first verb is wohnen, to live. Ich wohne, e ending. It's a traditional pattern, traditional format, and it is the easiest conjugation. E ending ich. Du wohnst, st. Third person t ending, and with plural we write en. And with ear is the plural of du form, you all, informal, plural. This is want. Okay, so this is the traditional verb conjugation that follow the same pattern for rest of the verbs. You can see the comparison. All verbs with ich first person end with e. Spiele, kaufe, mache. Similarly with du, all the verbs end with st. And this is our root. This is the root, wohn. Okay. Similarly here, spiel is our root, and kauf is our root, and mach is our root. This is the root stam. It is called stam in German. And then we put ending, e ending with du, st ending with all the verbs. This is Regelmäßige Verben in German. In English we say regular verbs. Similarly with third person, you can see t ending with all the verbs. Spielt, kauft, macht. He plays, er spielt. He buys, er kauft. He does or she does, er macht. This is called third person. Now wir means we, plural. So verb will be written like this, en ending, like same. You can copy from here. Spielen, kaufen, machen or wohnen. So en ending you can say no change. It's like infinitive verb. It is also known as verb in infinitive form, infinite form. There is no change, just write as it is verb. This is called regular verb. You can see all regular verbs follow the same pattern like this, except few exceptional cases. Now the last verb is, last subject is ear, plural of du form, and it takes t ending, root plus t. So wohnt, spielt, and here it should be yes, kauft, and this is macht. So this is called regular verb and a fixed pattern, a fixed case, so that you can follow the same pattern, the same conjugation with the rest of other regular verbs. Do you know some other regular verbs? Please write below in the comment section. I will check and reply. So this was the regular verb, Regelmäßige Verben, part 2 of verbs. First I have already made, link you will find below in the description. Thanks for watching, and every day you can join us 9 p.m. Indian time for the live class. You can learn German with me live. Thank you. Bye-bye.